That's why brushing is so important. See, sugar bugs make holes in our teeth if we don't brush.
Oh, I see.
Don't worry, Gummy. We can fix this if you start brushing every day.
Really? Let's try.
Step 1. Put a little toothpaste on your brush.
Like this?
Step 2. Brush in circles up and down.
I'm doing it, Sunny. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Keep them shiny bright. No more sugar bugs tonight. Wow! My teeth are shiny again.
See? Brushing every day keeps sugar bugs away.
Thank you, Sunny.
Always brush your teeth, Gummy. Subscribe for more videos, hit the like button, and keep watching for more fun.